Let's get your Stripe data exported so your bookkeeper can handle your transactions, fees, and refunds without any hassle. First, open up your web browser, head over to the Stripe website, and log into your dashboard using your account credentials. Once you are on the main dashboard screen, look at the left-hand menu and click on Transactions. If your dashboard layout looks a bit different, you can also find this by navigating to Payments and then clicking Transactions, or by going to Balance and selecting Payouts. Either way will get you to the exact same data pool. Now, before you click Download, you want to make sure you are pulling the right information. Look toward the top of the page for the filtering options. You can filter by payment method or transaction status if you only need specific files, but the most important filter here is your date range. The important thing is to choose the exact period your bookkeeper asked for, like the previous month or a specific fiscal quarter. Once your filters look right, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen and click the button that says Export. A settings window will pop up right in front of you. Here, you get to finalize your export settings. You can use a quick preset date range like last month, or set custom start and end dates manually. Right below the date settings, you will see options for which columns to include in your CSV spreadsheet. I highly recommend clicking Show All Columns. This ensures you get complete data, including hidden processing fees and currency conversions, which bookkeepers absolutely love to have. The trade-off of selecting fewer columns is that your bookkeeper might have to reach back out to you later for missing fee breakdowns, so keeping all columns selected saves you time in the long run. After everything is set up, just scroll down to the bottom of that window and click the Export button to start the download. Stripe will generate a clean CSV file and save it straight to your computer.